Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
2 years ago, we brought you Tactica's first crowdfunding campaign, the One Bottle Opener, and now we have our latest innovation ready for you. Talon pushes the limits with materials technology and functionality. Its patent-pending design is made possible by using an advanced composite material. This makes it super strong and enables the unique unibody design that increases strength and hardness. We've also created a dual-purpose storage compartment into the design to function as a socket, something that hasn't been possible in a multi-tool until now. We make the Talon in Melbourne, Australia, and over the past few months our team has worked closely to perfect the design for manufacture. It's great to be involved again with the same factory that produces our popular One Bottle Opener. This kind of collaborations make sure that everyone involved has a deep understanding of the project and the high standards we expect. Having a local manufacturer also reduces the risks usually associated with overseas manufacture. No waiting on shipments, faulty products or delivery delays. We'll be right there in front of the machine as they come off the line.
I'm Chris Hawker, inventor of the Quickkey and founder of Trident Design, an invention laboratory in Columbus, Ohio. The Quickkey was one of those inventions born out of necessity. I was constantly using my keys to open packages which didn't work very well, and also using other items like credit cards and pennies to pry, scratch, slice, and unscrew things. Pocket knives and multi-tools are bulky and cumbersome, so I never wanted to carry one on me. So I set out to make a simple, effective, and compact solution. and what I arrived at was the idea for the Quickkey, a simple multi-tool the size and shape of a key. I brought the idea to my designers at Trident Design, and together we turned the idea into an engineered reality, sketching, modeling, and 3D printing a ton of different concepts until we found the perfect solution. Originally, I was after something that could open boxes and letters more easily than a key, but then I realized that there was an opportunity for it to do more. We added a number 2 flathead screwdriver, a no-brainer, and what self-respecting designer wouldn't have added a bottle opener? Once we had tested a few 3D printed versions, we moved on to having stainless steel milled prototypes, and after a couple of iterations, we got our Quickkey, the handy little tool that opens everything but doors. Although Trident has brought dozens of products to market using traditional methods, we wanted to give you all the opportunity to be innovators with us on this project. We are excited to work on this fun little project with you, and if you like what you see, please take a look at our rewards and back us. Thank you for your support.